right, so here's the plan. It's a group of guys, right? They go on this trip every year. It's pretty serious. They take these big, long motorcycle trips, 2,000 or 3,000 miles. They plan every gas stop, every hotel, every restaurant. I mean, it's just really, really well planned. They've been doing it for like 20 years. And I can't go this year because of work, but I'm gonna crash it tonight. They have their kind of like welcoming party or whatever. And I'm gonna load the Zuma here up with stuff.
Nope.
And pretend like I got off work and I'm going with. Should be pretty fun to see their reaction. We'll see how it goes. And montage. Starting to realize this joke went a lot funnier if it weren't actually like 105 degrees out, but here goes everything. Off to a super great start. All right, come on. Oh, this is perfect. This is working great. Love it. Take two. Think you guys will be able to keep up or what? Woo! 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 A little too much power. A little too much power for me. I'll park this baby before I hurt something.
That's what I should do. Careful.
Whoa. Well. Well.
Ready to go. Brett. Ready to go. I didn't recognize you.
You recognize me, man, with all my safety gear on? It's got a Gixxer 1000.
I really wish you would have brought that to work the other day. I would have had some fun.
I mean, it's not too late.
You got a duck on this one too.
What's in there? Helmet for Keaton.
Oh, you got a different one?
No, he just didn't take the box with him because he took the bike.
So he bought a new one. That's how he got home.
What's top speed on this?
Well, about 68.
Over here.
Yeah, man. I know, puss.
How you doing?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
What's up?
So you gonna spoon me or somebody else?
Oh, I was planning on it.
Yep.
Great.
You're gonna have to move that box though. I need room for my big old ass.
Okay, sure.
Man, I really wish I could have done that.
Oh, it is.
Everybody
I sent my helmet there a moment ago.
Everybody kept asking to ride his bike the other day. I'm like, nope.
I want to ride it.
No way, kid.
Check this out. You get a 12 packer in there. Oh, baby.
Damn!
Oh my God.
Look at this. He's got a trunk.
Wow.
So you going?
Can you believe it? How could I not go? Think I put on this stupid hot jacket just to mess with you guys? Yes. It is
How
true.
come Kyle didn't come this year? He never did tell me.
He's married. Wow, he was married before.
Wow.
He's
Tied a rope on him.
he's out camping for his birthday. I called him on the way out here. I'm like, I'm gonna go fuck with these guys and bring my scooter.
Yeah, he
Wish
sure-
you were here. He
sure
doesn't have a
is.
big now.
Oh, he does? What? Got rid of his bike?
He sold the Ducati.
Did he?
He's gonna get something
Probably
different.
fucking blew it up last year. Look at that! Oh my goodness!